number 4, but this time we're going to do D, E, and F. There's this 1/4 in front of that parentheses. While we can distribute, it is better for us to get rid of it because we're trying to solve. So how do we get rid of a divide by 4? Well, I'm trying to create the number 1, so I'm going to multiply by 4 to both sides. 4 on top, 4 on bottom does cancel, leaving you with just a x plus 1 on the left hand side because there's only a 1 in front. This is going to be equaling 10 times 4, which is 40. The plus 11, the inverse is negative 11 to both sides. The left side does cancel, making a 0, leaving you with just an x is equal to 29. Then E. While we can distribute, again, it is easier to make the number 1 because it's attached via multiplication. So let's divide 4 to both sides. The 4 on top, 4 on the bottom on the left hand side does cancel, leaving you with just an x plus 2 on the left. On the right hand side, the 20 divided by 4 becomes a 5. The plus 2, we're trying to make the number 0, so we subtract 2 to both sides. The 2 minus 2 on the left cancels, leaving you with just an x equaling 5 minus 2, which is a 3. Number F. Number F is strange because if we divide by the 4 to the right hand side, it's going to get ugly. Then we're going to have to add. So while we can distribute here, it is better for us to divide. While we can divide, in this case, it would cause a fraction. So let's just distribute. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. And this is going to be equal to negative 7. Now I'm going to do that same process of solving for the x. So I'm going to add 28 to both sides, creating the number 0. The negative 28 and the 28 on the left cancels, making a number 0. It becomes 4x is equal to 21. Since there's a 4 in front, we can now divide by 4. We can now divide by 4. The 4 over 4 cancels, leaving you with just an x is equal to 21 over 4. This cannot be simplified, so we can leave the answer as 21 over 4. This is question number 4, D to F.